Hi, if you are new to Procreate and confused between Alpha Lock and the clipping mask, this video is for you. Alpha Lock and the clipping mask are two tools that confuse almost every Procreate beginner. They look similar but they work very differently. In this video, I will explain Alpha Lock and the clipping mask step by step with simple example. You should use Alpha Lock when you want to recolor your artwork or the layer. Add simple texture or make some small changes without creating extra layers. Let me show you an easy way to remember. Let's start. Add a new layer and rename it as Color Splash. Here I'm using my own Color Splash brush. You can see in my glitter brush tutorial. Let's paint. Now look at this. I'm adding a color on top of my paper texture, but the color is spreading all over the canvas instead of staying inside the below layer. So this happens because clipping mask not turned on. So you can see it's spreading all over the layer. Now I have turned on the clipping mask and you can see it stays inside the layer. So remember, if the color is spreading everywhere and your layer is not locked or clipped. Now you got an idea on how the clipping mark works. Now let's talk about Alpha Lock. Alpha Lock works only on the same layer. So here I've created a circle. Let's fill it with the white. Let's adjust the circle to center. Open the layer again and let's start testing Alpha Lock. So if I choose a different color, let's select black, and if I fill the layer, it will get filled with all the layers. So it will overlap. So let's undo and click on Alpha Lock and select the fill layer. You can see the difference. Now it's only filled whatever the shape is having on the same layer. So Alpha Lock works only for the same layer, not similar to clipping mask. So now you know the difference of Alpha Lock and the clipping masks and when to use and how to use. And let's quickly compare them. Alpha Lock uses only one layer and clipping mask uses two or many layers. And Alpha Lock is fast but limited. A clipping mask gives more control. Alpha Lock changes the original layer, but clipping mask keeps your original layer safe. So even though they look similar, they are used for different purpose. I hope this made Alpha Lock and the clipping mask clear for you. Practice both and you will see your Procreate art improve. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with someone learning Procreate. Thank you for watching. Please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.